Let's for instance you collapse now. Can anyone know your medical condition? Now come very close. Let me show you how to add your medical information on your phone so that it can easily appear on your phone lock screen, so that in event of emergency, doctors or nurses can easily understand your medical condition and give you the best treatment.
If you are using Samsung, this is what you will do. I will still talk about how you will do that using other Android phone. Come over to your phone's dialer this way, click on contact and click on my profile. If you have not set your profile, click on it to have it edited and it will take you to this interface. Scroll up to emergency info and click on medical information. It will appear like this. Come to this name section, click on this point down arrow this way and then enter your first name. Once you are done entering your first name, scroll up a bit, enter your middle and the last name. Okay, now once you are done with that, head over to medical conditions. If you have any medical conditions whatsoever, just click on that section to edit it with. Coming to the very important aspect of it is blood type. Click on it and select your blood type. Mine is O plus this way and then click OK to authenticate it. What are those things that you are allergic to? For me, I'm allergic to smoke. Just click on it this way to edit it. Smoke and dust. Now once you are done with that one, what are the current medications you have? Just click on it and list all those medications that you already taken for that medical condition. For me, I am not on medication. Now head over to this weight, click on it and add your weight. Click on height to add your height. The next one is the date of birth. Click on it and edit it with your current date of birth. Now after that is your address. Let's say number 5 Haji Street this way. Okay, then once you are done with that, just scroll up again, click on organ donor. If you are organ donor, then choose yes. If not, click on no, then authenticate it. Click on medical note. If there is any important medical note, just click on it to edit it with. Once you are done, click on save. Now the work is done. Make sure that you have this show on lock screen toggled on like this. For those that are using under Android phone, get to your phone lock screen this way, swipe it up, click on the emergency at the bottom, then look at the top of your screen, click on emergency information, click on it again. Now click on the pencil icon at the top right side. Now unlock your screen this way and come over to medical information. Click on this very plus button to add your information. Now click on your name to edit it, your address, your blood type, things you are allergic to, if you are organ donor or not, then just select it. Once you are done, that is the end. Now this is the most important aspect of this tutorial. In that very case of emergency where you have no help and you are in the hospital, the doctors, before they will commence any treatment, they must first of all know your medical condition so that they will not give you the drug that you will react negatively to. In that emergency situation, this is what the health practitioners need to do. Under your locked phone, if you are using Samsung, let them click on the emergency at the bottom left side of your phone. Let them click on that medical info. Now what will appear is your medical record and the emergency contact at the bottom. If it is on other Android phone, let them click on the emergency at the bottom of the phone, then it will review another emergency at the top depending on the phone you are using. Let them click on it and click on it again, then your medical information will display. With this, they will be able to know and understand your medical condition and know the proper medication they will administer onto you. So share this very video massively. Others will benefit from it, and don't wait until this happens to you before you will act towards it. See you in my next video.